What is up, my dudes? How's it going? We're back with some more Battle Cats, the best game in the world. We're gonna do some more Stories of Legends. Now, I'm gonna take in a team, just like a random team. Where's Kitty of Liberty? There she is. Just gonna take in a random team because I have no idea what's in this level. So, turn down the volume a little bit. It's a bit loud. Plus, I got a bit of a headache today. Yeah, today's headache day. And you know what? Just because of it, we'll bring Elemental Duelist Cat. Alright, let's see what's in here, I'm afraid. Okay. Did they just really send out like 5 birds or something? Like 100 birds? Okay, well, we're gonna need something to deal with these guys. Do we have anything to, like, block surges? Like, do we have any surge blockers? 1, 2, 3. They're all Ubers, are you kidding me? Ooh, Giga Neon Prime. I guess I'll take you in. Okay, let's see. What is the best way to deal with these birds? What is the best way to deal with these birds? Excuse me. I don't need surge. Thank you. Fish. And then, who do I need okay, I'll take Dr. Cat. I'll take Dr. Mario. Here we go. Okay. Step 1. Go. Just go. Holy moly! Gee, holy crap! Okay, what? Okay, whoa. They just, wow. Okay. Great. Okay, well, this is, quite the predicament. I guess we don't need Dr. Cat. Wait! Don't I have Octopus Cat? Yeah. Then I'll bring, Gianchi. Alright, let's do this. I'm just gonna send 1, maybe 2, and an Octopus Cat. Okay, what the? Whoa, what the? What is that red shield? I'm sorry, what? Okay, go Steven. Yes, I named Shishalan. His name is Steven. Yes, I know what you're thinking, friend on VR. I know what you're thinking. Okay, let's get rid of... Oh, really? Okay, really? Alright, Steven, do your job. You barely did anything. I think you need to get knocked back, like, a little bit. Like, just... Or you can just absolutely annihilate them, alright? No. Okay, they're getting oddly close. Oh, really? 2 dogs? Fine. I can deal with 2 dogs. I can't deal with 2 Corys, though! I can deal with 1. Yeah, slow him down. Slow him down. Step on him. Stamp on him. Okay, well, there goes him. Oh, 2 Stevens. Sweet! Get him. Fire the cat cannon! Ah! Hit him, hit him, hit him. I knew it was a good idea to bring Octopus. Okay, let's bring out the giant Power Ranger knockoff. Okay, really? Again with the Cory? I do not like your wave attack, sir. I do not like your waves. Okay, hit him. There we go, we're getting some attack down, which is good. Really? I see that head over there. I see that floating head. I'm not an idiot. Okay, realistically though, we're doing good. Fire the cat cannon. Stevens, do your job. Get some massive damage. Can I get a third Steven? Can I get a third Steven? Come on, give me a third. Yes, I got a third Steven! No, somebody, thank you! And get a second Ranger, I guess. Okay, let's zoom out, because holy crap. You can really see how big, like, these Pasalands are, because they're, like, huge. I mean, look at Leggy, for example. He's just, you know, doing what he can with what he's got. And they're all dead. Okay. 3! Well, no, there's 2, but 3? Really? Wait. I want 2. I want 2. Give me 2. Yes. And we almost have a winner. And we have a winner! Yeah, baby. Yes, baby. Oh, yeah. Alright. What's next? No! No! It's time already? Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm not ready for this. I don't think I'm ready. Oh. I know there's going to be red enemies in here, so I'm going to prepare myself. Oh, dear Lord. I know what stage this is, and I'm horrified. Oh, crap. Oh, biscuits and gravy. If my calculations are correct, this should be the stage that they mentioned. Yep, the music! I knew it! Oh! Oh, no. Why? Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay, Giant Bonbon Angels. Why? Whoa. Okay, I'm dead. Okay. Dang it, dude. See what I meant? I wasn't ready for this. Okay, but let me check if my calculations are correct. Yep. Man, what is all in here? We got floating metal angel black and red. Jeez. Okay. Well, what I'm thinking is I could have the Nyanko Ranger to do most of the freezing here. And then for the angels and dark, I could bring Pizza Cat and maybe Cataphone? Yeah, maybe Cataphone. I gotta find the trait real quick. I can't find it. There it is. I think for the floating, though, I kind of want to bring in Dancer Cat and my tablet's dying. Well, I'll think of this strategy, and then we'll do it in the next episode. And I don't really think Cameraman's gonna be that much help, but you never know. But I just want to bring Pizza Cat because he could probably deal with like the giant hippo. So, well, we got a plan for next episode. So I see you guys then.